if you understand how the system works, if you understand how people work, bosatambe kung pa bring change. And sometimes saying exactly the thing ku lo piss people off, lo in ieder geval start een gesprek. Especially if you've seen people do it nicely and it did not work.
Didn't work, zie.
Antori, mi doel op dat moment nota pa bring change op dat moment misora. So nota amit is some good bring change. A lot of these things don't have to do with one personal or individual action. It has to do with a collective consciousness of collective action. And dat imbiapa get a collective consciousness certo cosme se wardu bisa ribu certo manera and stop die baila rondiche. Timia, let's call it the higher elite, the keda papia in circles with these big terms and to keep discussing among each other and to etbira this echo chamber die hende ku ongeveer kamina ting hende ku this system to actually affect and to ku ene na kita ding disconnect for je. But I quite pass or keda like use this certain language ku bota usa and ko kita passa in politiek tame.